Hello my dear friends, hello students. In this video, as discussed in my previous video, I am bringing the discussion of the test, and the name of the test is the code on wages. This test we have 2019. Okay, this test we have enlisted in our app Exam Shadow. In this video, I am going to discuss 10 questions of the test so that you can understand the level of our test and also upcoming test series. Okay, upcoming test series. So I will discuss question and then answer only. There will be no explanation. Why? Because the test has been prepared by this code, and for the examination of ALC Assistant Labor Commissioner, you have to prepare all the four labor codes very thoroughly. Okay, so we are just providing individual tests as of now for the code on wages. For other three codes we will provide separate test. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Question number 1, it says, under the provision of the code on wages 2019, which of the following statement are true in context of application for non-payment of dues and claims of the employees by the employer? And the statements given are: number 1, the application may be filled only by the employee concerned or his legal heir. Second, the application may be filled within a period of 3 years from the date on which the claims arise. Third, a single application may be filled in respect of any number of employees employed in any establishment. And fourth, the authority deciding the claim for the application made may order for the payment of compensation in addition to the claim determined. Okay, so these are four statements. You have to decide which one is true in context to the application for non-payment of dues and claims of the employee by the employer. So the correct answer is C. The correct answer is C. Okay, C, which means only 2, 3 and 4 means this number 1, the application may be filled only by the employee concerned. Only first thing is only is there. Okay, extreme word, so you can eliminate that. So this is the question number 1. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says, as per the provision of the code on wages 2019, in fixing or revising minimum rates of wage by committee method in every committee appointed by the appropriate government, which of the following have compulsory representation? Okay, so the options are trade unions, judges of labor courts, employees. Okay, and the answer is D, means only 3. So only employees will have representation in the committee. Okay, compulsory representation means employees have to be represented. Must, it is must, compulsory. Next, question number 3, it says, Central Advisory Board constituted under this code shall consist of persons to be nominated by the central government. Okay, which of the following parties are not part of the board? जो board consist होगा उसमें कौन सी पार्टी नहीं होगी? Employees, trade unions, representative of such state government as may be nominated by the central government, employers, independent person, or judge of the National Labor Tribunal. And codes given are only 2 and 6, only 3 and 5, only 4 and 5, only 2 and 3. And the correct answer is A, which is only 2 and 6. Okay, only 2 and 6. So only trade unions and independent judges of National Labor Tribunal, right? They are not part of the board. Let's see question number 4. Question number 4 says, under the provision of this code, which of the following is true regarding imposition of the fine by the employer? And the statements are, every fine shall be deemed to have been imposed on the day of the act or omission in the respect of which it was imposed. 2. All fines and all realizations shall be applied only to such purposes beneficial to the person employed in the establishment. 3. No fine shall be imposed on any employee until such employee has been given an opportunity of showing cause against the fine. And you have to find the true. So the answer is D. Okay, all of the above, right? All of the above are true. Means 1, 2 and 3 all are true. Question number 5. Under provision of the code on wages, consider the following statement regarding fines on offense committed by the employer. तो क्या क्या ऑप्शन है? फर्स्ट, द फाइन लिमिट for the offense of non-maintenance and improper maintenance of records in the establishment is same. Second, no opportunity for complying with the provision will be accorded to the employer by inspector cum facilitator if the violation of the same nature of the provision under this code is repeated within a period of 5 years from the date on which such first violation was committed. Okay, and which is true? True is both 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are true. Question number 6. It says, under the provision of this code, the Central Advisory Board can advise the central government on reference of issue relating to which of the following. Okay. So, statements: employment of the contract workers through contractor, health and safety workers at workplace, revision of minimum wages and other matters concerned connected. Okay. And which is true? Answer is B, which is only 3, means revision of minimum wages and other matters connected. This is the correct answer. Question number 7. Under the provision of this code, consider the following statement regarding compounding of offenses. So, what are the options? The accused person can make application for compounding of offenses either before or after the institution of any prosecution. Second, the compounding of offense can be made by gazetted officer. Third, the offenses can be compounded for a sum of 50% of the maximum fine provided for such offense. And fourth, an offense punishable with imprisonment only cannot be compounded. Okay, and the correct options are all of the above, only 1, 2 and 3, only 2 and 4, only 1 and 3. Correct answer is, what is correct answer? Correct answer is option A, which is all of the above. Okay, so these are the condition of compounding. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the condition of compounding of offenses. Question number 8, which says, under the provision of the Code on Wage 2019, which of the following can file an application before the prescribed authority for payment of dues and claims of the employee? Okay, and options are employee concerned, any trade union registered under Trade Union Act 1926, which of the employee is a member, the inspector cum facilitator, the arbitrator. And the correct answer is C, which is only 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and 4 is not correct. 4, the arbitrator, it is not correct. Other than arbitrator, other can file application before the prescribed authority. Question number 9. It says, under the provision of this code, every employer shall display a notice on notice board, okay, at prominent place of the establishment. Which of the following is not necessary to be displayed in those notices? So, what are the options? Name and address of the inspector cum facilitator, category wise wage rates of employees, abstract of the code, wage period. And the correct answer is D, means none of the above. None of the above means correct answer is D, means all should be part of the notice. Okay, all 4 should be part of notice. Question number 10. Question number 10 says, under the provision of this code, which of the following is not necessary requirement in compliance of this code? Number 1, maintaining a register containing the details with regard to persons employed, displaying a notice on notice board in the establishment containing the abstract of this code, appointing an arbitrator for resolving disputes related to payment of bonus and wages, issuing of wages slip to employees in such form and manner as may be prescribed. Okay, and the correct answer is B, which is only 3. So only 3 is not necessary. What is 3? This is not necessary. What is this? Appointing an arbitrator for resolving disputes relating to payment of bonus and wages. This is not necessary. Other than this, everything must be in compliance of this code. Okay, so I hope you like the content of the test. Okay, 10 questions I have discussed, and the remaining 90 questions you can find from our test series. Okay, test per individual test, and where you can find this test from our app Exam Shadow, right? I have not given explanation why. I've told you already that you have to prepare this act very thoroughly, and test has been made through act by act only. So when you will read or memorize or understand the acts, it means you are already preparing explanation of these questions. It can never be the way that you prepare through questions and explanation. No, first you prepare the act with this code on wages, all the code. Okay, then you come here for practicing the question, so that whatever you learn, whatever you remember, that can be made concrete. Okay, that can be set in your mind properly, and you can understand the nitty-gritty or the possible reason where you can make mistakes, possible areas where you can make mistakes. That's why solving tests are very important, and we will give a test on all 4 codes, so that this part, which is very unique for the syllabus of ALC and very much required for very good preparation of ALC examination, so by this test you can prepare thoroughly. Okay, this is our target, this is our plan. So I hope you like the test and you like the video also. Please subscribe our test series, our video, and if you have any query, do let us know. Okay, we will try our best to solve your query. Thank you very much.